How to delete duplicate photos on Android phone. So if you have many duplicate photos, maybe you accidentally downloaded one photo 2 times or just made screenshots which are the same, I'm going to show you how you can remove all your duplicates all at once. Let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to go ahead and open my gallery and show you that I have duplicate photos. For example, this one I have saved more than 3 times. So it should be in the settings where we can find the duplicates. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go in the Play Store and search for the Files app by Google. If it's not installed yet, then tap to install, open, and you will need to grant some permissions first, so allow everything you see on the screen. Now what you're gonna do here is you're gonna tap 3 lines in the top left corner and choose clean option. Here you can see your suggested files which you can delete to free up some space, maybe unused apps and duplicate photos. So as you can see, I have this section delete duplicates, so I can tap on it. I can tap on the photos or I can tap on select files and I will see all my duplicates. Also, you will see an original photo and duplicate photo. This is important as well. So here you'll see not only your photos but files as well. But if you wanna find your files directly, so just files without photos, then you can tap on your internal storage on the top, scroll a bit down and select duplicate files. But I'm gonna go back, and now to free up some space to delete duplicates, we just need to select file you would like to delete. For example, select the second one and leave the original, or reverse, you can delete original and choose the second one, it doesn't matter. You can just tap on it like that and then tap move to trash. Or what you can do is you can tap the option all duplicates on the top and it will highlight only the duplicate photos but leave the original, as you can see, and then you can just tap move this amount of files to trash. So now let's tap here once again, and now they are moved to trash. So you can immediately tap on view, or if you missed this tab, just go back, tap on trash. From here, choose the files once again and click delete. But this way you will permanently delete those files. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.